Copper Leaf Louisiana is a tropical shrub that is native to the Pacific Islands and parts of Asia. It has been cultivated in tropical regions around the world for its ornamental foliage. Copper Leaf Louisiana is a stunning shrub that can grow up to 6 feet tall and 5 feet wide. It has large, heart-shaped leaves that are deep red color, with prominent veins running through them. The undersides of the leaves are a lighter shade of red with a slightly fuzzy texture. In the spring, the plant produces small, inconspicuous flowers. It thrives in warm, humid climates and needs full sun to partial shade to grow well. It prefers well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter and should be kept moist but not waterlogged. The plant is hardy in USDA zones 9 through 11 and is generally grown as an annual in colder climates. Copper Leaf Louisiana can be planted alongside other tropical plants like hibiscus, birds of paradise, and bougainvillea. It can also be used as a backdrop for smaller plants or as a focal point in a mixed border. Copper Leaf Louisiana is primarily grown as an ornamental plant for its stunning foliage. It can be used as a specimen plant or planted in groups to create a tropical effect. Leaves can also be cut and used in floral arrangements or dried and used in craft projects. In traditional medicine, extracts from the Copper Leaf Louisiana plant have been used to treat a variety of ailments including inflammation, fever, and hypertension. However, it should be noted that these uses have not been scientifically proven, and the plant should not be ingested without consulting a medical professional.